Hello students, if you want to become IAS or IPS officer, you need to write UPSC Civil Service Examination. UPSC will release notification every year for 800 to 1100 posts. And if you are targeting for UPSC 2027, preliminary examination will be conducted on 23rd May 2027. And this is the right time to start your preparation. So, we in our academy, we are launching a new batch for General Studies Prelims cum Mains Foundation, and it is going to be started from 8th June 2026. The key features of this course are, first one is duration is 10 months and we are providing both on online and offline with the validity of 2 years. An expert faculty will be dealing with the subjects. We have different faculty for different subjects. And we are also going to provide daily answer writing. Why? Because answer writing skills plays a very important role in clearing of your mains. Every day we provide 2 questions. One will be from current affairs and another will be from general studies. And what are the answers you wrote? There will be evaluation for your answer and we will give you in detail feedback. Apart from that, we will conduct regular tests for prelims. On every weekend, whatever the syllabus which is covered in that week, we will conduct a test and we will track your progress. Based on the performance, we will counsel you and we will mentor you in a right direction. And we will also provide you books as part of this course. We will provide entire GS material. Along with that material, for current affairs, we will provide you monthly magazines separately for prelims and as well as mains. And next important one here is, we are also going to provide test series as part of this course. And I am very proud to announce that in this year prelims, whatever the questions we gave in our test series, the strike rate is 47% guys. And you know, this prelims 2026 is one of the toughest examination in UPSC history. And we predicted 47% of questions. It is not a small thing guys. And if you want to see the proof, you can just scan this QR code so that you can get a PDF and you can check the proof. We uploaded questions with test number and as well as question number guys. Then why are you waiting for? If you want to really crack this examination, you can come and you can join our demo classes. We are providing 2 days of free demo for this course and the timings of the classes will be afternoon 2:30 to 5:30 p.m. And we are providing this demo class on both online and offline. If you want to attend online demo class, you need to download Rathod's IAS app. The link of that app is given in description box. And if you want to attend offline demo class, you can visit our academy which is located in Ashok Nagar, Hyderabad, exactly above Vikas Book Center. If you have any queries, questions and if you want to know further details about this course, please do contact us on this number 8074765513. And if you want to talk to me directly, you can visit our academy. I will be in academy from morning to evening and you can talk to me directly. And I wish you all the best.